2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee V6. Really beautiful. I see a lot of this red color on these Jeeps. I guess it looks really good on them. Factory converters up there and up there. Then factory kidney bean muffler, dual in, single out. Then it singles out back, 2 1/4 all the way back. And then we installed a Vibrant part number 1794 right there. And reattaches his stock tip right there. He just wanted a different, a little bit more tone. There's the original resonator that was on it right there. So he basically just lost about 50 pounds, 30 pounds worth of weight with that Vibrant. It looks a little bit different, a lot cleaner. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Only 20% of you guys subscribe, so I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button. Vibrant rear. That's perfect. Just a little. Good choice, man. It's clean. There's sound decibels. Right at 85. Go ahead. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Would you rather do this or the one in the middle and delete the back? He just wanted a subtle, little bit deeper tone, which I like. It sounds perfect. Jeep Grand Cherokee with a Vibrant in the rear, stock muffler, stock mid. That's what it sounds like, guys. V6. Not bad. That's actually clean. It's nice. Hope you guys like our new sign too.